Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what is a max and min function in SQL along with some simple examples. Let's get into it. SQL max function is used to find out the record with maximum value among the record set, and similarly SQL min function is used to find out the record with minimum value among a record set. So these are some basic syntax of min and max function. We have to use these functions in select clause along with the column name. We can also use where conditions and group by clause to further filter out the data. Let me explain you with some simple examples. This is a SQL command line interface, and today we are going to use min and max functions on employees table. Let me show you its column names and the data type. For this, just type desc, which is a describe command, employees. So these are the number of columns present in the employees table along with their data types. In the first example, we will start with a simple one in which we will get the maximum salary from the employees table. Just type select max in bracket column name, which is salary, from, and the table name, which is employees, semicolon, and enter. So 24,000 is the maximum salary present in the employees table. Similarly, we can also get the minimum salary. We just have to copy the previous query, and we just have to replace max with a min function. After hitting enter, now here we will get 2100, which is the minimum salary from the employees table. In the next example, we are going to fetch this maximum salary from each department. Let me show you how to do it. You just have to type select department ID, comma, max of salary from employees table, group by department ID. After hitting semicolon and enter, we will get the maximum salary for the each department ID here. Similarly, we can get the minimum salary for each department. We just have to copy all the query, and instead of max, we just have to replace max by min function. Min, after hitting enter. So here you can get the minimum salary for each department ID. In the last example, we will try to get the department ID having the maximum number of employees here. For this, you just have to type select max of department ID, comma, now we have to use count function, again max of employee ID, from employees table, group by department ID. So here you can see the department ID 110 having the maximum number of employees, which is 12. We can also use column alias for the similar query to get the result table more readable. For this, we just have to copy the previous query, and after this we just have to use as department ID, and for this column we will use as max number of employees. After hitting enter, we will get the department ID 110 with a maximum number of employees 12. In this tutorial, I have briefly explained what are the max and min functions in SQL. If you want to learn more about SQL, we have a dedicated playlist all about SQL. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get latest updates.